happy birthday, Chris Angelo. Ano ba sasabihin? Alam mo na yan, sobrang ako sa'yo. Iyo ko, wala akong masabi, sobra kasi napakabait, napaka-responsible, at napaka-handsome na taong nakilala ko. And yun, more travels for us ni Dayang-Dayang. At yun, dahil meron na kayong bagong blessing na dadating, mas mature na tayo at responsible sa mga bagay-bagay na gagawin natin sa ating buhay-buhay. So yun, more birthdays and happy birthday. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Yon, Jello. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo ang birthday mo ngayon and
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello!
bayaw.
Yan lang. Wish you all the best and healthy and sana maging mabuting ama at asawa. Congrats!
Hello, Jello. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day, Bex. Mwah.
Naimbaga pa nakasangay, Jello.
Uy, pare, happy birthday. Ano ba? More extra rice car. More blessing to come. And, ayan, darating na yung baby nyo. Nice! Congrats! Happy birthday ulit. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jello! Game na!
Happy birthday, Jello! Congrats sa baby nyo. Best wishes!
Medyo greetings pa. Kala mo naman napakalayo ko. Yan lang naman ako sa times. Takman natin yung nook. Anyways, happy birthday, Jello. And congratulations sa inyo ni Dayan. I'm so happy. Ang aga ng birthday gift sa'yo, no? Happy birthday. See you sa office.
Happy birthday, yo. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Jello. Ipapasa ko tong cellphone sa malakas kumain.
Happy birthday, Jello. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw ng birthday mo. And sana makakatingin ako ng handa mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yor. Ingat ka palagi.
Hello, Jello. Happy 50th birthday. Char. Happy birthday and congrats sa inyo ni Dayan. Yun lang. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Jello. Happy birthday sa'yo. Congrats sa inyong dalawa ni Dayan. So, mahalin mo din, pati si Sam hindi lang si Dayan, pati sa baby. Yun lang. Happy birthday, painom ka na.
So yung pare, happy birthday pare Angelo. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy and stay safe syempre. Huwag natin nahayan ang sarili natin. Walang alak ang katawan. Yan pare. More birthday to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, ang classmate pare, Chris Angela Acasio. The best ka, or birthday to come. Amat sa ko. Wish all you luck. And sana lagi kang nasa mabuti. Arp.
Happy birthday, Bonji. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday, son. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Chris! Wish you all the best. Good luck. Enjoy!
Pare Chris, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Angelo! God bless you.
Ay, pare. Happy birthday. More birthday to come, pare. Taga yun.
Happy birthday, Kuya Angelo. Ingat ka palagi and congratulations for your upcoming wedding and congratulations then for your another baby. Love you.
Hi, guys!
Happy birthday, feeling foggy! Ingat always, Kuya. Love you.
Sana magbago ka na. Yun lang. Good health. Bye.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Jello. God bless to you.
Hello, Angelo. Happy birthday. O, di ba? Nagulat ka. May greetings ako. Pero aside from your birthday, congratulations for you and Diane for being a new parent. Ingatan niyo yung bata at the same time, sabi nga nila 1 year is an added year for maturity. So a good gift and a good reminder that you're no longer getting younger but getting older, and take responsibility wisely. God bless you. More birthdays to come.
Jello, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, par. Ingat ka always dyan. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Jello. Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad.
2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Jello!
Ba't ganun?
Yan. Ayan.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Jello!
birthday, Jello!
More birthdays to come!
And congrats na rin. Magiging tatay ka na. Advance.
Bye! Happy birthday!